Hi. So in this video we are going to change screen guard of the new iPhone 12. See this, as you can see, this screen guard has broken. So now I am going to change this. So check it out. I have ordered this new screen guard from Amazon. It has came off how much? Near about 300 rupees of good quality I have ordered. So it's looking little bit difficult. Yes, it's opening. Yes, it's open. Yes, and finally we have removed the old glass. It has been broken. So now first we will clean. So we are going to throw this out. It's of no use now. So now we will clean it up, our iPhone 12. It's not Pro. If you like Pro, you can gift me. I can WhatsApp you my number. You can courier me iPhone 12 Pro. I am loving it. So as the mobile shopkeepers, they used to clean it up, all the front glass, back glass properly. Like them, we have cleaned it up. It's over and out, clean and clear. Okay. So this is the new Crystal Shield screen guard for iPhone 12. Don't remove it fully from first, just remove it light, slightly. Then from up to down, fix it properly and just leave it. It will automatically will stick to the phone. See, it is automatically getting stick to the phone. So now little bit corners are left. So from this we can remove the air. So yay, it is done properly. The glass screen guard has done. I have got this some sticker with this screen guard. but I don't think it will be useful for me. It is for removing dust, so whatever. So my screen guard is ready. My new iPhone 12 is ready to shine again. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.